Hi there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nddy, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Afro puff hairstyle. So I'm going to be starting out on old hair. This is a very old hairstyle that I took down, and I am just too lazy to wash. My hair needs a good wash, I know that, but I'm not ready right now and I need to step out in like 5 minutes. So I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this and step out. My styler of choice is the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. This is the one that works for me. I've tried all the other ones and this is my favorite so far. My favorite would have been Crystal, but it gives me mad flakes. In short, gels give me flakes. I don't think there's any gel that I have come across that doesn't give me flakes. But the Eco Styler Olive Oil takes a while before the flakes come on, and if I use it with a styler or a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer, that it doesn't pair well with. So next thing, I'm going to be using these long string or strip of rope. I really don't know what to call it, and I think that all natural girls have this thing right here where they use to tie their puff. You're going to get one that is elastic and will not pull out your hair, and be careful when you are pulling the string or whatever you're using so that your own hair doesn't get stuck and cause breakage. And also don't pull it too tight such that you have a headache. I used to rock this a lot when my hair was short, but it used to give me so much headache, so I just took a step back. I really haven't done a puff in a very, very, very long time. I think this is the second time this year that I have done a puff. Okay. So I am sorry, I did not notice that all of my hair did not get in the frame. I film with my phone and I use my rear camera because it has much better quality than the front camera. So the challenge I have is I can't see what I'm doing. Please stay tuned. I fixed that later on. I noticed it and I fixed that later on in this video. So the next trick to keep your edges or your front laid is to tie down a silk scarf. I think this is not even a secret at this point anymore. So you tie down a sleek scarf. Is it sleek or silk? It's silk or satin scarf to get your edges to lay, and then you use your pick or your fingers to pull out and fluff out your fro to make it as big as you want. You can always also use your hands to shape it and give it the shape that you like. And then you just wait for like 5 minutes or so while you do your makeup and everything for the hair to set. This is me just waiting for it to set. So after 5 minutes, you can always go ahead and unravel, and of course go ahead and fix your edges. Like I said, my hair is not so slick because I am just out of a protective style. My hair is not washed, so and the gel, I think the gel has gone ahead to flake because of the previous products that I had on from my previous protective style, but it still will not stop me from slaying this look because I think I look absolutely gorgeous. I love my hair. I love that it came out nice. My fro or my afro puff was looking cute. My little makeup was also looking beautiful as well. I think I absolutely slayed, so ignore the flakes that you see on there and just Look at these edges, girl. Look at these baby hairs. Okay, so yes, at this point I was feeling myself. Okay, I am so sorry that all my hair did not get in the frame, but don't worry, I will fix that later. I think I noticed it at this point, and I am just trying to make sure I get everything in the frame like I should, because most times, I tend to record out of frame. It's very frustrating, but what can I do? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a like, comment down below your favorite natural hairstyle, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby.